Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over x plus 1 to the power of 2, capital B over x plus 1, and capital C over x minus 3. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why we need to create about two fractions in here, and the power should be reduced from number 2 to number 1. And then we can do about common denominator. So about capital A, we need to multiply by x minus 3 because we don't have x minus 3 in here. Capital B, we multiply by x plus 1 and x minus 3. And capital C, we multiply by x plus 1 to the power of 2. And the denominator should be in here. Now we need to expand this one. And we need to expand this one. Negative 3x plus x, you got about negative 2x. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of x. About the x square, we have b and c. About x, we have capital A minus 2b plus 2c. About nothing, we have negative 3a, negative 3b, and we put about positive c. Now, if we look carefully about coefficient, we have about x squared. This is about number 1. So, b plus c should be equals to number 1. We don't have x, so this one should be equals to number 0. We have number 1 in here, so coefficient of this one should be equals to this one. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solution of ABC. Here is about the solution of ABC. Now we can put ABC cone here. So A equals to negative 1 over 2, B equals to 3 over 8, C equals to 5 over 8. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we will have about positive 1 over 2 over x plus 1. The next one, we have ln of the absolute value of x plus 1. And the next one, that's about ln of the absolute value of x minus 3. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.